Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to summarize a book which you're reading on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So let's say, for example, you're reading a book and you don't want to read everything here. Then let me show you how you can basically summarize this page using your Samsung S25 Ultra. So first, you're going to go ahead and open up a book on your Samsung S25 Ultra. Next, you're going to go ahead and take out your S Pen, open the Air command, open AI Select. Now go ahead and draw around the page where you want to summarize. Then tap on text. And now here, tap on writing assist. Now here, you can go ahead and select an option called summarize. This will now look at the text and will summarize what that text is saying. So once you're happy, you can go ahead and read that and move on to the next page. So there you go, guys. That is how to summarize a page on your Samsung S25 Ultra using your S Pen. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.